Hey everyone, today we're talking about something that could literally change your financial future. How to build real wealth in crypto by thinking long-term, not short-term. If you're tired of the hype and want to learn how to actually win in this space, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to believe the hype. Buy this coin today, become a millionaire tomorrow. You've seen the stories. People turning $100 into $10,000 in just weeks. Or influencers showing off Lamborghinis, saying crypto changed their lives overnight. But here's the hard truth. The real path to wealth in crypto is not about trading, it's about long-term investing. Let that sink in. This isn't about flipping tokens or guessing chart patterns. This is about understanding the big picture and letting time, patience, and adoption work for you. The harsh reality of trading. Let's start by debunking the myth of day trading. Trading crypto sounds sexy. Buy low, sell high, repeat, get rich. But in practice, most people lose. In fact, according to multiple studies, over 90% of day traders lose money over time. Why? Markets are volatile and unpredictable in the short term. You're competing against algorithms and professionals. It requires endless hours of screen time, deep technical knowledge, and fast emotional reactions. You must constantly follow news, trends, global markets, and regulatory changes. Worst of all, it's mentally exhausting. If you're not prepared to treat it as a full-time job, with the discipline of a monk and the brain of a chess master, trading is more likely to drain you than enrich you. So, what's the alternative? The quiet power of long-term investing. Investing is fundamentally different. It's not about predicting where the market will go tomorrow. It's about understanding where the world is going in the next 5, 10, or 20 years and positioning yourself accordingly. Let's put it this way. Traders make moves. Investors build wealth. When you invest in crypto with a long-term mindset, you're not worried about daily price swings. You're looking at adoption curves, regulation trends, technological evolution, and the global shift toward decentralized finance. You're asking, where will crypto be when 1 billion people use it? Which projects will shape the future of finance, gaming, or AI? What kind of global infrastructure will need crypto to operate? These are long-term questions, and they require long-term patience. Understanding market cycles. Boom, bust, repeat. Every asset class moves in cycles. Crypto is no different. Prices rise, reach euphoric highs, crash down, then recover again, often stronger than before. Let's take Bitcoin as a case study. June 19, 2011. Mt. Gox hack. Price crash 99.9%. April 2013. Mt. Gox technical problems and hacking. 83% loss. December 2017. February 2018. Crypto bubble burst. Regulatory fears. ICO collapse. 65–80% drop. March 12, 2020. COVID-19 crash. Black Thursday. 30% loss in one day. May-June 2022. Terra Luna collapse and market downturn. 70% loss. June 2022. Celsius and 3AC liquidity crisis. 40% monthly drop. November 9, 2022. FTX collapse. 14% single-day crash. December 5, 2024. Flash crash near 100K. Top 7% intraday drop. March 20th, 2024. ETF outflows. 8.3% drop. February 25th, 2025. Macro news and tariffs. 8.5% intraday drop. If you look the data, you will notice that throughout Bitcoin's life, it has had several moments of decline. But if you look at the price of Bitcoin in the long term, taking into account that it started at 0.003 per BTC and today it is approximately around $105,000, it is an increase of more than 3 billion %. Obviously, it will no longer rise those stratospheric amounts, but it will definitely rise over time, since Bitcoin and blockchain are the future of the financial system, and only a few in the world use it. So wealth comes not from timing the market perfectly, but from surviving its storms. Why now is still early. It might feel like everyone is already in crypto, but that's an illusion. The truth is, only 6.8% of the world's population owns crypto, about 562 million people. Experts estimate this number could surpass 1 billion users by 2030. You are not late. In fact, we are still early, somewhere between the early adopter and early majority phase of a technology S-curve. This is the equivalent of investing in Amazon in 2001 or Google in 2005. It didn't feel glamorous back then, but patience paid off. The psychology of wealth. Delayed gratification. One of the most powerful predictors of long-term success is delayed gratification. Those who can wait often win. Crypto tests this more than anything. Prices can go up 10x in months or drop 70% in days. But if you can train yourself to stay calm, ignore the hype, and zoom out, you'll understand that this is part of the process. Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This couldn't be more true in crypto. A practical strategy. Invest, forget, reap. Here's a simple framework that anyone can follow. 1. Choose strong, time-tested crypto assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other major layer 1s, or utility-based tokens. 2. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount every week or month, regardless of price. This removes emotion and smooths out your entry points. 3. Store safely. Use hardware wallets, understand self-custody, and keep your investments secure. 4. Ignore the daily noise. Don't check prices constantly. Don't sell just because the market dipped. Trust your research. 5. Have a 3-5-year mindset, not 3-5 weeks, not 3-5 months. If you can't hold it that long, don't buy it. 6. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. That way, you won't panic during volatility. The future of crypto, what's coming? By 2030, analysts predict over 1 billion users in crypto and DeFi. The integration of crypto payments in retail and online platforms. Massive tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs, real estate, stocks, even identities. Growth of AI and gaming sectors built on blockchain. Stronger regulation is safer access for everyday people. You don't need to guess which meme coin will 100x. You just need to be early, informed, and patient. The millionaire path is real, but it's slow. Can you get rich with crypto? Absolutely. But you won't do it in a week, or a month, or even a year. You'll do it by planting seeds today and giving them time to grow. Be early, be strategic, be patient, and watch what happens in 2, 3, or 5 years. Because when the world finally wakes up to crypto, you'll already be there. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop here at Crypto Crib. Remember, in crypto, the patient investor beats the emotional trader every single time. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you in this for the short-term hype or the long-term gains? See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay strategic, and keep stacking those sats.